welcome back to my channel. There's a beauty. Today we're gonna be doing a very easy, realistic 5-minute makeup routine. So without further ado, let's get right into the video. Guys, I'm gonna start with this concealer. It's from e.l.f. It's their hydrating camo concealer. So I'm just going to quickly apply this on all the places. I want to hide my dark circles and some redness, some pimples. Just like so, and over here on this bit right here as well, and a bit right here as well. This is actually a full coverage concealer, so it's actually gonna cover literally everything. So you don't even need like a foundation for 5 minutes. So I'm just going to blend this as quick as possible, just like so. Guys, now I'm setting my face with this PAC Spotlight Loose Powder. We're just going to fastly set my face with this everywhere wherever I applied the concealer. So yeah. Okay, so now I'm using this blush. It's from Knit Sticks. It's the Cherry Blossom shade. I'm just gonna spread it across my face just like that. On my nose, on my chin a little bit. And now we're just going to blend this quickly into the skin. And as you can see, guys, it really gives that beautiful, like, fresh looking face. So yeah, I love it so much. This blush is so amazing. I'm also gonna take the blush onto my eyes as well. Just like that, on the other side as well. Okay guys, now for the brow product, I'm gonna be using this Maybelline Tetragraph 3-Day Styling Gel. We're just going to brush it through the brows, just like that. Just to kind of like set it. I'm gonna do the same on the other side. It's taking me a little longer to do this makeup because I'm also like talking to you and like showing you the product, so it will actually take you just 5 minutes to do this makeup. Guys, now I'm gonna curl my lashes first and then I'm gonna apply the mascara. I always curl my lashes no matter how much like I am in a rush. I always put on a mascara. Do the same on the other side. Whereas now for the lips, I'm going to be using this Ink Velvet. It's in the shade 17. So I'm just going to apply this. I'm blending it with my hands like so. Okay, so I'm just gonna make my hair a bit, just kind of like this. And yeah, now we guys, this is it. This is the 5 minute makeup. We are ready to go out immediately now. So yeah, this was super easy and I hope you liked today's video. If you did, please consider subscribing my channel, liking this video. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Until that, bye.